This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Oh, perfect. This is super similar to the last level. And this time, though, it wants us to only use 4 blocks. Can you pick up all the corn using one move block? Okay? And so think about this. We actually kind of demonstrated the quick way to do it last time. Let's think about how we can accomplish this. Okay? So ignore the 1, although right now you can see it says, oh yeah, only use one of these. We know we need to go west. So I'm just going to start throwing down wests. And again, I know I'm breaking the rules here, but I think it's 4. Let's test that out. Because you can always be wrong in code. I can break the rules for a bit to try something. Okay, so that gets us all the way over there. Now, each time we move, I think I'm going to want to pick corn here. And then won't I want to go west again? And then pick corn? Let me test. Now keep in mind, I'm already over blocks. We're not supposed to use this many. But alright, let's go west again, and let's pick some corn. And then let's go west again. Let's test this out. West, pick corn, west, pick corn, west, pick corn, west. Oh, I didn't do the... Okay, well, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. And obviously we should have picked corn at the end there. Let me reset. So, notice what's happening here. I am using 3 blocks right now, alright? Because that's these 3 attached. But watch. West pick corn, west pick corn, west pick corn, west pick corn. Notice I am repeating myself. Repeating myself. How many times am I repeating myself? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. I'm repeating myself 4 times. Okay? So let me get rid of all this repeat code. And instead of doing that, instead of dragging out those blocks, you can use a repeat block. Let me just drop this in here. And remember, what were we at? 3. Boom. Boom. Now we're at 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're still going to run this code 4 times without dragging it out over and over. Watch. So what happens here, I hit run. The computer says, okay, I got to run this code inside 4 times. Let me go west. I'll pick corn. And then hits the bottom and goes, oh yeah. Okay, I've run it once. Oh, but 4 times total. Let me go west again. And let me pick corn. Oh, I've run it twice. Okay, this will be my 3rd time. I hit the bottom, I go back up. West, pick corn. Okay, and I still need 1 more time. That was 3 times. My 4th time, go back to the top, west. And then when I pick the corn, it's done. It would be 4 times. If I had a block beneath, it would run, but we don't need it. We are finished with 4 blocks. Awesome. Let's keep going.